One of the things I like about this radio is you have both types of headphones on the front. Anyway, I've been using this instead of the 710. In fact, I'm not even sure where the hell I even put the 710. I should probably go check and make sure I know where it's at. I put it away. I do have this other radio out here, but after messing around with stuff and realizing that you can't zero beat a regular radio with an SDR radio, it kind of dawned on me that although all the fancy waterfalls and screens and all that crap are nice, they kind of have their limitations. Anyway, so I just kind of went back to using legacy radios. No, you got to tune to the band. You can't just look at it, you know. You actually have to do some work. Heaven forbid you got to tune the radio to transmit, too. What's nice about this radio is it has its own 29 megahertz button. Now, they probably should have put 6 meters in this. I don't know why they did. We got London, Ontario repeater probably on FM. So it's already ready to go. I don't have to. It's pretty strong.
But the original microphone is exactly on that.
Now with FM, I don't know that what the AGC, if it comes into play or not. I don't think it does. No. There goes the squelch. About S5 or 7. Yeah. The preamp's pretty powerful. On FM, there's only so much you can do about the noise. Anyway, I'm going to play around with this for a little while in 10.